Hello students, welcome to Study Zone. Let's learn together. So today in this video I will be sharing with you mathematics notes of chapter 1 rational numbers. So this is part 1 basic operations of rational numbers. Definition. A rational number is a number of the form p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Examples 6, 0, minus 3, 1 by 3, 0.5 which can be written as 5 by 10 and minus 2 by 7. So this is the flow chart of rational numbers. So the first question is, what should be added to 1 by 12 to get 9 by 10 plus 13 by 20? So first we must solve 9 by 10 plus 13 by 20. As both the denominators are unequal, we must find the LCM. So the LCM you get is 20. So take the first number which is 9 by 10. As the denominator is not equal to 20, we must multiply denominator with a number as well as the number with the numerator. So 10 into 2 gives us 20. So we must also multiply 2 with the numerator 9, which gives us 18. So it becomes 18 by 20. So we must do the same thing with the next number which is 13 by 20. As the number already has the denominator 20, we must simply multiply it with 1 to both the numerator and the denominator, which again gives us 13 by 20. So as we got both the denominators equal, we add the numbers, which can be written as 18 plus 13 by 20. So when we add both numerators 18 and 13, we get 31. So the answer we get is 31 by 20. So again, the question is written that what should be added to 1 by 12 to get 10 by 10 plus 13 by 20, which is 31 by 20. So the question asks what should be added to 1 by 12. So in this case, we don't know the number we should add with 1 by 12. So we will take x as the unknown number. So this can be written as 1 by 12 plus x is equal to 31 by 20. So in grade 7 we learned about integers. So what we learned in integers, that same thing we should apply here. So now we must move the 1 by 12 which is in the left hand side to the right hand side, which will end up with a minus 1 by 12. So this step can be written as x is equal to 31 by 20 minus 1 by 12. So both the numbers denominators are not equal. So in this case again we find its LCM. So you get its LCM as 60. So we have learned that we must multiply the denominator with the number as well as the number with the numerator. So 20 into 3 gives us 60. So we must multiply 3 with the numerator 31, which gives us 93. So it becomes 93 by 60. So we must do the same to the next number minus 1 by 12, which gives us minus 5 by 60. So now we must subtract both the numbers 93 by 60 and minus 5 by 60, which can be written as 93 minus 5 by 60, which will give us 88 by 60. So 88 by 60 can also be simplified into 22 by 15. So your answer is 22 by 15. Simplify. Question number 1. 9 by 2 into 8 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into 5 by 24 minus 3 by minus 5 into minus 7 by 6. So first we have to simplify these numbers. After simplifying them, we get 12 by 1 plus 5 by 18 minus 7 by 10. As the denominators are unequal, we must find its LCM. So the LCM is 90. So take the first number which is 12 by 1. As the denominator is not equal to 90, we must multiply the denominator with a number as well as that number with the numerator. So 1 by 90 gives us 90. So we must multiply 90 with the numerator 12, which gives us 1080, which becomes 1080 by 90. Do the same thing with the next number, which is 5 by 18. Multiply it by 5 for the denominator as well as the numerator. Then you get 25 by 90. Then do the same thing with the next number, 7 by 10. Multiply it by 9 in the denominator as well as the numerator. So you get 63 by 90. Now, as we got all the denominators equal, we can move on to solving the problem. So it is 1080 plus 25 minus 63 by 90. As minus 63 is a negative number, we can solve all the positives first. So as the positives are 1080 and 25, we add it, so we get 1105. Now place minus 63 near 1105. So you get 1105 minus 63 by 90. Now subtract both the numbers. You get 1042 by 90. Now simplify it. You get the answer as 521 by 45. So your answer is 521 by 45. Question number 2. Minus 3 by 19 divided by 9 by minus 57. So in this case, we can't divide it directly. So we take the reciprocal of the second number. So 9 by minus 57 becomes minus 57 by 9. So as we take its reciprocal, division turns into multiplication. So this step can be written as minus 3 by 19 into minus 57 by 9. Now we must simplify it. So we get 1 by 1, which is 1. So your answer is 1. This was the end of part 1, the basic operations of rational numbers. We'll return back soon with part 2, the properties of rational numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment and share on my video. Bye.